Perkenalkan, nama saya Kade Andres Diri dengan NIM 42330068.
New revolutionary technologies are still to come. Thanks to the Fugal, you can already pay with your fingerprint. And this is just the beginning. The present, the future, the Fugal.
Okay, that would be all. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed that.
Di sini saya memilih opsi ketiga karena kalau security issue yang ringan bisa diatasi dengan mengupdate patch perilisan selanjutnya. Dengan permasalahan pasti akan banyak bug dalam aplikasi.
Possibly, but listen, we can't afford not to do something. This application is going to turn the payment world upside down, and the smallest hint of a vulnerability, and the users are just gonna desert us.
Okay, so what are our options?
Invulnerability Scanning Tools dapat mengidentifikasi kelemahan keamanan sebelum dapat dieksploitasi oleh penyerang secara signifikan, mengurangi waktu dan sumber daya yang diperlukan untuk scan manual.
Right.
Di sini saya pilih jawaban yang nomor 3.
It's not sure we do this internally, but you need to make absolutely certain that it finishes on time. We can't let the market slip for anything.
Hey, Randall.
Good morning, Dave. I'm afraid we've got a bit of a situation here.
What do you mean, situation?
The IT team has uncovered evidence that we're under some sort of targeted attack. Whoever's behind this is after credentials using some very credible social engineering. It looks like a number of our employees were sent emails that appear to come from the help.
Good, so everything's fine. You always be
Said we're safe for now. I think we should look at how third parties access our internal systems. See, that same email went out to any of them, and they were compromised. And so would we.
Okay, so that's a long-term project. What else do you have?
Well, I would suggest extending two-factor authentication to cover those same contractors.
Yeah, I get it. I'm just wondering if we can afford to spend that much money. No, particularly with the launch and everything.
Well, if you don't want to spend any money at all, it's policies.
We're maxed out on the % budget for this quarter already, and we expect quarter to the plans. You just have to do the best with what you have.
Okay, consider it done. There's one more thing I wanted to talk to you about. I'm worried about our data security in general. I strongly suggest we start encrypting our intellectual property as well. This could be industrial espionage.
Okay, that's be the right choice. Data security is important, but I don't have an unlimited budget. I need to be sure that our investment is addressing the real risk.
Di sini saya memilih pilihan yang kedua yang dikarenakan jika dienkripsi bisa memberikan keamanan terhadap data user, mengurangi risiko terhadap pencurian data, tetapi dengan permasalahan jika encryption kehilang, data juga bisa hilang. Jadi menurut saya lebih baik data hilang daripada dicuri. Jawaban pilihan.
Yeah, you're right. It's gotta be done. Encrypt it all. Just remember that my budget isn't unlimited, and that list of files is getting empty.
Thanks, boss. I'm sure it'll be money well spent. I hate to bring it up. We can have a look at our existing technology, see what else is out there.
A technology refresh?
Exactly. Get some RFIs out there, make sure we have the best of breed firewall over 9 hours.
Untuk opsi ini saya memilih jawaban yang pertama karena meningkatkan pendeteksian breach secara real time sehingga mengurangi risiko data breach dan bisa menjaga informasi sensitif dan permasalahan biaya awal yang agak besar dan membutuhkan sumber data yang tidak sedikit.
Exactly. So this is how it should work. Julian, how many journalists we already have confirmed?
It's going to be a great event. We did call us this morning. As far as I know, only filmed before cancelled. But that's a 95% turnout.
And as before, it's not even our demographic anyway, so. It's a shame though, he'll miss the Aptus Drive.
Just what?
Oh, I told you about the journalists we have coming to pre-test the app. You know, just a beta version, nothing to worry about. High-profile bloggers, tech and lifestyle magazines.
Where did I know about this? Well, you were copied in on the thread. You CC'd me? This is a really critical matter, this event. The code isn't frozen yet. It hasn't even fully tested by our QA guys, and you want to give it to the press? Are you crazy?
I'm sorry, but we thought you were up to speed with this and had no objections.
It's not. No, I'm not a marketing expert, but I do know that given something that may be vulnerable to a tech-savvy journalist, it's inviting disaster.
What cancelling the press conference is actually making the disaster certainty. The hacker...
Upon the launch, you might not even take off.
Di sini saya memilih opsi ketiga karena di sini membuat para jurnalis merasakan langsung aplikasi. Kalau perlu ada yang ditingkatkan, perlu para jurnalis bisa membantu apa yang bisa diperbarui. Permasalahannya, pengetesan di lingkungan terkendali dapat menimbulkan skeptisisme terhadap kinerja aplikasi dalam skenario di dunia nyata. Di sini saya memilih opsi kedua karena membatasi akses ke proyek dengan keamanan tinggi. Perusahaan memastikan bahwa data sensitif tetap terlindungi dari potensi kebocoran data.
That's true, one second, alright?
Exactly. No comment till we know what's going on, which is basically never a good idea.
Alright, but listen, we can't leave without a comment. But I never hear that. Well, you may never hear it again.
Di sini saya memilih opsi yang ketiga karena di awal tadi kita sudah berinvestasi ke teknologi bridge detection sehingga kita hanya perlu memeriksa log apakah akses diarahkan dari lokasi yang tidak bisa mendeteksi anomali dari awal. Perusahaan dapat mengambil tindakan cepat untuk mengatasi kerentanan log, menyediakan data penting untuk penyelidikan forensik yang melacak asal mula serangan, mengidentifikasi sistem yang terkena dampak, dan memahami metode yang digunakan oleh penyerang.
You doing everything right? Yeah, just unpack cocktails.
No. Congratulations. You just saved your company from a major data breach. Well played.
Jadi dari hasil analisis yang saya dapatkan dari game dengan efektif menyimpulasikan peran CEO yang mengharuskan pengambilan keputusan secara real untuk melindungi data sensitif dan game juga meningkatkan ancaman keamanan cyber dengan melibatkan peran pemain. Oke, sekian dari saya.